Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss the important features of C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. C++ is one of the most widely used and very popular programming language around the world. It is used in a wide range of applications like database, operating system, device drivers, embedded systems, robotics, or even artificial intelligence. So in this video, I will discuss important features of C++. We have simple, portability, powerful, platform dependent, object-oriented, case-sensitive, compiler-based, syntax-based language, and use of pointers. So the first one is being simple. Every C++ program can be written in simple English language so that it is very easy to understand and developed by the programmer. Platform dependent. A language is said to be platform dependent whenever the program is executed in the same operating system where that was developed and compiled but not run and execute on another operating system. C++ is platform independent language. So in this case, we have here the illustration window. First CPP compiler, it will create Windows, Mac, and Linux operating system. So the OBJ, or stand for object file, of C++ is platform dependent. Portability, it is the concept of carrying the instruction from one system to another system. In C++ language, that CPP file containing source code can be edited. Also, this code exif for executable file contain application only when we execute this file. When we write and compile any C++ program on Windows operating system, the program easily runs on the other Windows based system. So we have here the illustration in our screen. When we copy the exif file or executable file to carry to another computer which contains Windows operating system, it works properly because the native code of application and operating system is the same. Powerful. C++ is a very powerful programming language. It has a wide variety of data, types, functions, control statements, decision-making statements, etc. Object-oriented programming language. This is main advantage of C++. It is an object-oriented programming language. It follows the concept of OOPs like polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction. Case-sensitive. C++ is a case-sensitive programming language. In C++, programming break and break are both different. If the language treats lowercase letters separately and uppercase letters separately, then they are be called as the case-sensitive programming language. Example, C, C++, Java, .NET are sensitive programming languages. Otherwise, it is called a case-insensitive programming language. Example, HTML or hypertext markup language, Pascal Basic, SQL is a case-insensitive programming language. Compile-based. C++ is a compiler-based programming language. That means that without compilation, no C++ program can be executed. First, we need a compiler to compile our program and then execute. We have here syntax-based language. C++ is a strong, tight, syntax-based programming language. It is if any language follows rules and regulation very strictly, known as strongly tight syntax-based language. Example, C, C++, Java, .NET, etc. If any language does not follow the rules and regulation very strictly, known as loosely tight syntax-based language. Example, C++, example, HTML. Efficient use of pointers. Pointers is a variable which holds address of another variable. Pointer directly access to a memory address of any variable. Due to this performance of an application is improved in C++ language. Also, concept of pointer is available. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video about the important features of C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.